So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to source message on WhatsApp. So let's get started. So let's open it, and this is the inbox of your WhatsApp. Now you should have to tap on those persons inbox or direct chats whom you want to source like this. Then tap on person's name which is available on the top left corner of your screen. So tap on it. And then you can simply see the option of source. So tap on it. Then type a message here like this. Then tap on source icon which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap here. Then see, and you can even tap on increase and decrease or upgrade or downfall icon which is available on the top right corner of your screen like this. See, and I'm tapping on downfall, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.